Oh, no, that's okay. I don't use
All right, so here we are in part 4. And in this video, we're going to be showing you some drywall, some insulation, and got a few short clips here of us patching up the roof, the dormer extension, and doing some of the shingles. We're still waiting on windows. That'll probably be in the next episode. So you're going to want to stay tuned. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.
Native American, love America. I'm here to build it. Build America great. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to smash out this installation, kick some ass, hang some sheetrock. Things will be rocking in USA.
Trump 2020.
Trump 2020. Even though you're an apple.
And you got to explain what an apple is.
Yeah.
What's an apple?
An apple is, okay, I'm red on the outside, white on the inside. So that's what my people tell me, that I'm an apple. Because I believe in making the right choices. I believe in living a good life, you know, legit life, you know. So it makes me an apple. Red on the outside, white on the inside. Oh, I don't care what they think, you know? I'm living
You're,
my life.
you're brown all the way through,
All the
buddy.
way through, brother.
That's it.
My name is Juan Delgado. I work for Base Print Installation. And I help you for
Carrie.
Carrie. I help you with starting the drywall.
He's good at it.
Very good.
I work for Day Spring, but I kind of take care to put some drywall. My name is Jesus Mendes.
My name is Garrett.
My name is Garrett. I do drywall and
I'm
I
here
love
now.
it.
Yeah.
I mean, that's why I'm here.
Alright, all the YouTubers out there, today was a good day. Got some installation stuffed. I got a sheetrock 1/2 inch up here. Things are rolling pretty well. Stay tuned and don't forget the subscribe button. Juanito over here will let you know how things are going. Give him the thumbs up, Juanito.
Big heart. Driver.
Nobody's.
Be sure to subscribe though, guys. Hit that like button, share. Get us some shares. We're trying to get up there. We'll teach you guys some tricks. Old school, new school, whatever it is, we got you. Tune in.